This is our room on the Cunard Queen Elizabeth. It is an Oceanview stateroom. So you can come in. That's the bed. Nice little couch area. And we have the desk. Some space over here. There is a little refrigerator. Got our coffee station. Nice little hairdryer. And then the mirror, and that's the room there. If I back up a little, there's a nice big closet. It's got full length and space that you can have like another rack, so if you move that pole. And there is a nice full length mirror. So that's one closet spot. We have a second closet. Got your life vests up top, shelves, little safe, some more hanging space down at the bottom, and then there is even more closet space on this side. You can see the space up top and a nice full length closet down there. When we go to the door, we have all of the ship information on the door there. And we'll back up a little bit and come to the bathroom. Yeah, in the bathroom you can see down there you have the toilet area, and as you come across there is a nice little area to store some stuff, your mirror, nice little sink, storage on this side as well. And then down at the bottom there's your tissue area, trash can, some extra toilet roll, and then we have the shower. It's a corner shower, so it is one with a curtain, and you do have that little clothesline over there. There is some space for your shampoo and stuff, and they do provide, by the looks of it, shampoo and body wash over there. And it's got a nice little drain pan, and it's got the curtain. So there is your restroom. Then we'll walk in here. Again, there's that couch area. Got the bed, TV with some coat hooks, and this is our window. So a nice little window area where you can put some stuff over there. Then this is our window. We are still in the port in Vancouver, so that's why the view is a port, not somewhere out at sea. And then there's the bed with the nightstand, and overall a really nice ocean view room.